Hello dear friends, I'm glad to welcome you to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can significantly increase the yield of bee-pollinated cucumbers. Many viewers have written to me in the comments asking for help on how to get rid of male flowers and get actual cucumbers. Friends, during the growing season, when the plants are already growing in the garden or on your plot, you can influence them. How exactly? Above the 5th to 8th leaf, pinch off the growing point on the main stem and encourage the development of secondary shoots. It is precisely on these secondary shoots that the maximum number of female flowers form, from which the cucumbers then develop. But even before sowing cucumber seeds, there are some actions you can take, which combined later with pinching the main stem, what will we achieve? These steps will help us significantly increase our yield. How exactly? It's very simple. Before sowing, the seeds need to be warmed up, but not with water, as this method was once widely discussed and popular, my friends, but specifically with air heating. Now I'll tell you the temperature settings and the duration, how long and at what temperatures the seeds should be kept. So, if you have time before sowing the seeds, then 20 to 30 days in advance, you need to place the seeds in a temperature range of about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. This could be a mezzanine, a cupboard. Just make sure to measure the temperature there first. If the temperature is suitable, simply put the seeds there and, after the specified period, proceed to sow them. If you want to heat the seeds more intensively, then 10 hours before sowing, place the seeds in a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. If you want to expose the seeds to high temperatures for an even shorter period than 2 to 3 hours before sowing, place the seeds in a temperature of 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. Friends, how is this done? Well, maybe some of you have a radiator with a constant temperature, or maybe you have an electric oven with precise temperature settings and so on. You'll figure it out based on your own situation. What happens to the seeds when they're exposed to high temperatures? There are special instruments that accurately monitor the surrounding environment, and they respond to any changes. So, when we use high temperatures to put seeds under stress, processes begin within them that shift development from vegetative to generative. The so-called phytohormones responsible for this start working with increased intensity, directing the plant so that more female-type flowers form than male-type flowers. Why does the plant do this? Or more precisely, why do the seeds and these phytohormones do this? Because they sense the seeds are under stress and might die. Urgent measures must be taken to increase the future production of seeds by the plant. Where are seeds formed? Of course, in the ovaries. So, by consistently utilizing exceptionally high temperatures and, so to speak, skillfully playing on the unique and inherent peculiarities of natural biological development, we can effectively achieve genuinely good and beneficial results for ourselves and our specific objectives. As a result, we get fewer sterile flowers, meaning male-type flowers, and more normal good flowers from which fruits will then develop. This is the method that many experienced gardeners have been successfully using for a long time. If you didn't know about this, you can try it, even if only with a small number of seeds. Especially since the sowing season for open ground hasn't started yet. I think many of you will have time to test what I've talked about today.